Hello viewers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys to make a video on affiliate marketing, what it is all about and how to get started with it. So in today's video, I'll be inviting an expert in affiliate marketing to explain more about affiliate marketing and how you can get started with it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's jump right into it.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this training video. My name is Hilary Ofiago, and in today's program I'm going to quickly walk you through what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing, the business model that has generated over $8.5 billion since 1994. So the goal of this video is to help you set up and grow your own successful affiliate marketing business and earn at least 300,000 naira monthly selling other people's products online. So coming up, I'm going to quickly walk you through what affiliate marketing is, a brief history of affiliate marketing, how to build your own affiliate marketing business, affiliate marketing platforms and how to get started, benefits of affiliate marketing, how I got into affiliate marketing, the skills you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer, and my basic recommendations. So what is affiliate marketing all about? Affiliate marketing is simply a business model where one promotes goods and services created or owned by other people and gets rewarded with parts of the profits made from each sale. People always have needs, even though they might not be aware of it. Affiliate marketing is simply just about finding out what people are mostly in need of and connecting them to products that solve those needs and then getting paid. The reward end is referred to as commissions. Now let's get into a deep dive in what affiliate marketing is all about. So if you think of affiliate marketing, I want you to think of what happens in most marketplaces in Nigeria. So there are people that do not actually own any business at all. So if you go to Alaba market or if you go to Onitsha main market, you're going to see a lot of people. What they do on a daily basis is when they see you in need of a product, let's say you go there to buy a clothes, you go there to buy a mobile phone, someone just takes you to another person's shop and just quickly helps you buy that phone. At the end of the day, that person gets a commission. So that's just what affiliate marketing is all about. A lot of us have been practicing affiliate marketing on a day-to-day basis. Let's say for instance, you're using a type of skincare product and your friend comes up to you and says, I like this skincare product, your skin is glowing and all of those things. You just quickly recommend the person, yeah, this is the product I'm using, you can try it and it's going to be nice on your skin too. So that is actually affiliate marketing. It's when you recommend products that you do not create to other people. But the major thing about affiliate marketing is the commissions. You get paid for doing it. You're not just recommending your friends to go and get a product that does not pay affiliate commissions. You're recommending them and then you get compensated for bringing your friends on board. So that's what affiliate marketing is all about. Alright, so who are the parties involved in affiliate marketing? For an affiliate marketing business to stand, there are 4 parties involved. Number 1 is the product owner who creates the product. Then secondly, the affiliate platform where the products are listed. And thirdly, we have the affiliate who promotes the product, and then the consumer or prospect that purchases the affiliate product. So as we have on this image here, you can see it starts with the affiliate promotes a product or service on their website. So you can either promote it on your website, you can promote it on your WhatsApp or any platform where you have your audience. Then customer clicks and converts, which means the customer clicks and buys the affiliate product. Then your conversions are tracked by the affiliate platform. Then the company pays the affiliate, which is the person promoting the product, a certain commission. Alright. So the brief history of affiliate marketing. The idea of affiliate marketing was first invented in 1989 by Williams J. Tobin, the founder of PC Flowers and Gifts. And the first affiliate marketing program was launched in 1994 by CD Now. But the concept gained global recognition in 1996 after Amazon introduced their Associates program, and the business model has experienced so much growth since then. So how to get started with affiliate marketing? First, you choose a niche. So a niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Then after you've chosen your niche, the next thing is to register with any affiliate marketing platform. Thirdly, you find a high in demand product. Then you create a great sales pitch or offer. Then you generate traffic to your offer and then follow up on your prospect. Now let me quickly digress on this. First, the reason you need to choose a niche is the fact that you can't keep promoting all the products you come across. The more streamlined your efforts are, the more the results you are going to get. Right, so let's say for instance, if you feel you are more inclined, or you have a bit of knowledge on health and wellness, or you have a bit of knowledge on info product marketing, or you have a bit of knowledge on creating online courses or things like that, so you want to make sure that the affiliate product you're choosing to promote is something that you'll be so convinced in talking about day in, day out, because you're going to need to promote your product and you're going to need to follow up on your prospects. So it helps that it's something you already have a bit of a knowledge about. Even if you don't have a knowledge about it, something you are enthused about learning, because for you to really profit with affiliate marketing, you need to have a bit of knowledge on what you are promoting. Alright, so when you choose a niche, then you start with the affiliate marketing platform of your choice. You find a high in demand product in that niche, then create a great sales pitch or offer. So you need to create an offer around the product you have chosen to promote. Then you also generate traffic, then you up on your prospects. An example, let's say you are promoting a product with a commission of 10,000 naira. So now if one person gets that product, you're going to get your commission of 10,000 naira. So if you're able to get 10 people to get that product, you're going to get a commission of 100,000 naira. That's the goal of generating traffic. Okay, so affiliate marketing platform, there are lots of affiliate marketing platforms out there. We have ClickBank, we have Jevizu, we have Warrior Plus, we have Expertnaire, Seller, and lots. So the fact is, you need to choose a platform. Like ClickBank does not accept Nigerians, and then Jevizu accepts Nigerians, Warrior Plus accepts Nigerians, Expertnaire is a Nigerian-based affiliate marketing platform. Then we have Seller, which is also a Nigerian-based affiliate marketing platform. So while choosing a platform, you need to also choose a platform that is going to be easy for you to withdraw your commissions. So it's not a platform that after making sales, promoting the products, you're going to have hitches getting your money out of the platform. So you need to choose a platform that is going to be easy for you to withdraw your commissions. All right. So benefits of affiliate marketing. The major benefit of affiliate marketing is the fact that it's, number one, it's easy to start. It has a high success rate. You can work from anywhere at any time. You can be your own boss. Thousands of products to choose from. No inventory or shipping costs. You can also promote multiple products at the same time, and you can get started with just your smartphone, and they are solid and highly reliable. And one other major benefit of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create these products yourself, because getting into product creation is the hardest part of making money online, because you're going to need lots of years of research and knowledge on the niche to be able to create a product that you're going to promote. But with affiliate marketing, it's really easy for you to get started, because these products are already there. These are products that have been created by top experts in that niche. So these are people that have had thousands and thousands of success stories. All you're doing is just helping people who need products in that respect, people who need help, people that have certain challenges. You're helping them get rid of their challenges, and they are getting a commission for just helping them make a buying decision. All right, so that's one major beautiful thing about affiliate marketing. You don't have to create the products yourself. How I got into affiliate marketing. So back in 2020, I heard about affiliate marketing for the first time, and I fell in love with the business model, because all my life I'd always wanted to be an entrepreneur. But as a fresh graduate at then, with no reliable source of income, and I'll tell you, it's a very hard thing to do. But after I heard about affiliate marketing and how I can get started with only my smartphone, I felt confident that I could still, get started. So I went ahead and read up all I could about affiliate marketing. I also watched a lot of videos here on YouTube about affiliate marketing, just like you're doing right now. And after about a month, I felt confident enough that I know what affiliate marketing was all about and how to get started. So I went ahead and registered on an affiliate marketing platform, picked up a product, and went ahead to promote it. But you know what happened? After about 4 months of promoting this same product, I was still unable to make a single sale. I felt bad, but I actually learned a lot from the experience. And what was it that I learned? Firstly is that affiliate marketing is not a skill but a business model. And the business model, you also need core skills to help you profit from your affiliate marketing business. It's not merely a skill, it's a business model. Then secondly, I also learned that I didn't need to try reinventing the wheel, and that all I needed was someone who has succeeded in the business to hold me by the hand and put me through. So that was when I started, searching for affiliate marketing courses that would offer mentorship and coaching. And I came across the 72 IG Extraordinaire course, which is a very wonderful course, by the way. But it was sold at 50k at that moment. I couldn't afford it because, like I said earlier, I was just a fresh young graduate with no source of income. I think right now they sell the 72 IG course at 63,000 naira. So as I was about to give up because it seemed obvious that affiliate marketing might not work for me, a friend of mine then introduced me to Mr. Tamilore, who is one of the most successful affiliate marketers in Nigeria. I went ahead to buy his course after going through his landing page, seeing what people said about the course and how a lot of people have actually gotten results through the program. And it was also a lot cheaper and also offered coaching and mentorship that I needed, and it literally changed my life. So stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing this course with you and how you can get started with it. Skills that you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer. Now, as I said earlier in my story, affiliate marketing is not a skill but a business, and there are core skills that you need in order to succeed in this business model. The first is you need a copywriting skill. Secondly, you need marketing and sales skill. Thirdly, you need communication skill. You need offer creation, problem solving, and closing skill. And these skills are one of the major reasons why some people seem like they are succeeding while the rest are failing with affiliate marketing. The copywriting skill is going to help you craft copies that make people want to get what you're selling. Then your marketing and sales skill is what you use to promote your products across to your target audience. Then your communication skill is going to help you communicate your offers effectively. Also, during your follow-up session, it's going to help you communicate your offers to your target audience so they see the importance of getting the product. Then your offer creation also helps for you to create highly irresistible offers that your audience are going to want to jump on each and every time you show it across to them. Then your problem solving skill also helps when your audience, after they buy the products from you and then they are having issues, you're going to help them get rid of these issues, which is also going to help you, sell more in times to come. Then your closing skill also is about you being able to get your offer in front of them, and also when they bring you the objections, that you are going to, with your closing skill, be able to get past this objection and get them to make a buying decision. Alright, my recommendation, the affiliate marketing course I recommend. So like I said earlier when I was sharing my story with you guys, I told you that I was going to share with you the affiliate marketing course that has helped me succeed as an affiliate marketer and has also made me over 2.2 million naira in sales. So this course is called the First Affiliate Sale. So as you can see here on this sales page, it says how this exclusive system is the secret to earning at least 300,000 naira monthly from affiliate marketing in the next 30 days. Let's quickly go over to the testimonial. So you see that many people have actually had wonderful results with this course. So you can see this testimonial from Olamide Orija. He says, I took Tamilore's one-on-one course and it has been an amazing journey. Sometimes hard, sometimes easy. That's the beauty of it. Tami will say if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. I've made lots of money from affiliate marketing. I've made over 4 million naira. Then you can also go down to see some. This is one from Bolivar Tifo. Says, now my learning with one of the best affiliates has been a great one. Tamilore is effortlessly calm and has a great working relationship. So if you really want to learn under the mentorship of a good affiliate marketer who knows his onions and how to actually make money, I think this course will be well it for you. So you can also see this This testimonial from Seyi Obase. So he says, I bought Tamilore Adewiyi first affiliate sale course, and I must say I'm getting more than my money's worth. Thank you, Tamilore Adewiyi. Everyone go get the course. So if you really want to fast track your affiliate marketing success story, the first affiliate sale is something you should get. Here are the things you will learn if you choose to take action and purchase the first affiliate sale program today. First, you're going to learn the 4 important things you need to take note of when promoting other people's products. Secondly, you're going to learn the mistakes you need to avoid when promoting other people's product. If you miss out on any of these mistakes, you're going to struggle with affiliate marketing your whole life. Thirdly, you're going to learn how to sign up on top affiliate marketing platforms that have great products for you to promote. And the amazing thing is these platforms pay you in dollars to promote their affiliate products. Lastly, you're going to learn how to study the products you have chosen and how to identify the right market to sell to. But wait, that's not all. You will also learn how to create simple sales processes that help your prospects to know, like, and trust you almost immediately. Secondly, you're also going to learn how to create adverts that sell like crazy without breaking a sweat. Thirdly, you're going to learn the simple steps and strategies that will help you generate leads for the product you chose to promote. Lastly, you're going to learn how to follow up on your prospects and get them to make the purchase just like a pro. And everything you're going to learn in this session is worth well over 300,000 naira. And that's not all. We also have additional bonuses section for you if you choose to take action today. You're going to get the CPA affiliate marketing training on how to get started earning lots of dollars promoting CPA affiliate products online, and this is worth over $1,000. Secondly, you're going to get a training on Gumroad affiliate marketing and how to get started and make a lot of money doing it, and it's worth over $500. You're also going to get a personal coaching from Tamilore, where he will take you by the hand and walk you through everything you need to do from making your first sale to becoming a top affiliate marketer, and this is worth over $500. You're also going to get access to the first affiliate sale exclusive community, where you get to meet other affiliate marketers and get to know what they are doing and get to know what is working in the industry at the moment. And the access to this community is priceless. So total value of everything you're going to get in the training and the bonuses are worth over $2,000. But this course will be going for 30,000 naira for the first 50 people to take actions today. So to purchase this course, simply click on the link in the description box below. Also, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp with any questions that you might have, or you can leave them in the comment section below and I will be glad to answer them. Thanks for joining us in today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with your friends and family members. And until next time, bye.